In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI. Whether you're looking to enhance your data-driven decision making, or you'd simply like to streamline your business analytics, this integration is a game changer. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, start by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. Once you arrive, locate and click on the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. If you're not already logged into your HubSpot account, go ahead and do that now. This will take you directly to your HubSpot home, which is your dashboard for managing all things related to this powerful CRM platform. Now that we're logged into HubSpot, the next thing you want to do is look for the marketplace icon. It can typically be found along the top navigation bar. This icon gives us access to all the integrations and apps that HubSpot supports, allowing you to expand the functionality of your CRM. After clicking on the marketplace icon, look for the apps section and select it. You'll be directed to a page featuring a variety of applications you can integrate with HubSpot. At this point, our goal is clear: to establish a connection between HubSpot and Power BI. So go ahead and use the search bar, which is conveniently located at the top of the apps section, to type in Microsoft Power BI. This will filter the results and bring up the specific integration we're interested in. Once you see the Power BI integration option appear, click on it. This action will take you to a dedicated page just for this integration. On this page, you'll be provided with some information about what the integration can do for you. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these features if you wish. When you're ready, locate the Install App button. It's usually prominently displayed and easy to find. Clicking on this button will begin the process of setting up the integration between HubSpot and Power BI. And there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, you've now set up your HubSpot account to send data directly to Microsoft Power BI, enabling more dynamic reporting and deeper insights into your business metrics. With this setup, you can efficiently harness the capabilities of both platforms, bringing your data analytics to the next level. Remember that you can always revisit the marketplace section in HubSpot if you need to manage or tweak any of your integrations. Don't hesitate to explore further and make the most out of this newly established connection. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy analyzing,